Greetings viewers and welcome to Pattaya, and look at that view, absolutely sensational here at the Pattaya lookout, the viewpoint. And there's lovely gardens here, and you can exercise and walk around up here too, and you can see how high up we are here, and obviously a good place to take a video like other people are as well. And yeah, you got the love heart over there too, perfect for a photo opportunity. And you can hear one of the ships leaving port as well. We've got the Bali High Pier down there, and a little bit further along is the famous walking street, and then the equally famous beach road, Pattaya Beach. And excuse the wind effects folks, but the breeze is beautiful up here, it really is. A little bit of negotiation on these steep stairs. And look, it's not the Hollywood Hills, but we are standing behind the famous Pattaya sign here in Pattaya City, Thailand. Very, very panoramic here at the Pattaya viewpoint. Let's have a closer look. Now yours truly has jumped on and off the ferry to Hua Hin from Pattaya. There at the Bali High Pier, you can see a group of tourists heading down the pier, the jetty, about to board the boat, and some of them I assume would be heading towards Hua Hin. And you can just see how busy it is there. You know, it's about just before 9 AM here in Pattaya this morning, and you can see already that it's quite a busy waterway, if you want to call it that. The bay here in Pattaya. Lovely. And yes, the famous Pattaya sign, Pattaya City. Well, I hope you're enjoying the images, folks. It really is fantastic up here at the Pattaya viewpoint. It's lovely at this time of the day before it gets a little bit too toasty later in the day. A lot of folks come at sunset, but we've decided to come at the start of the day, and well glad that we did. You can see already the parasailing and the boats, goods and services there, passengers getting on the passenger terminal there to get the boat out to islands and other parts of Thailand. So there you go, folks. Pattaya viewpoint. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again for watching the Coffee Chill channel. Please enjoy the balance of your day.